torch just got out. Butterflies. Whee! Look at those colors. Puddle. Munising?
Yep. Where you're at?
We're just living in a Bob Ross painting. It just looks like Snow White is just gonna, it looks like we're in a storybook. Look at that leaf fall.
She's a beaut.
Holy smokes.
Now we go down there? Oh yeah!
So it's asphalt. You fall on your ass.
Pretty. We found a little picnic table, a beautiful little lake out there. Got a bit of rain happening right now. We're stoked.
Cabbage, carrots, celery,
Some thunder.
can of soup.
It's awful rainy. Just heading back to the woods for a little walk.
Connor planted this tree in first grade. Look how tall it is now.
Oh, 2 of them. So it's fun. Those 4. Oh, it always goes.
Oh,
Oh, got it.
just driving along.
You're winking.